Hi, welcome to another robot tutorial video. Okay, another thing you can do in generative AI is to add objects and things, and it's improved quite a lot since the early days of when Adobe first brought it into Photoshop. So I'm just going to show you some of the ways you can actually make it work. And this is the photograph I did in another tutorial. I've removed the wires, if you remember, if you watched that tutorial. But maybe, for instance, you want to have a bicycle standing against the wall or something. So what you can do, let's just make an area roughly the size of a bicycle. I'm just going to add a bit more there just to be sure. Okay, and you just simply click on this tool here and just type in what you want. I'm going to put vintage bicycle. Okay, and then I'll put leaning against wall. Okay, press generate. Let it do its magic, and hopefully what will appear is something close to what you want. There you go. Now that may not be the type you want, but you'll remember in Photoshop you get 3 different versions. So that's another one there and another one there. Now maybe all 3 of those don't look like you want them. So let's go back to the first one. Let's say that's closest. There's a little button here now. Okay, if you press it 3 buttons, it gives you the option to give you your report on how you think it works, but also they've added this now, which means generate similar, which will create 3 more roughly the same as the one that you've selected. Okay, so that's another one. That's quite nice, that one, actually, because it looks like it's actually got the shadowing effects and everything, but you'll also have the other options. Gives you that as an option and that as an option. So basically they're all 3 vintage bikes. I quite like the first one. Yeah, so we'll keep that one. Okay, and you can carry on if you want to do something else. Let's try something else. Let's go up here. And try a couple of pigeons sitting on roof edge. Now a lot of this actually comes down to what you actually write and how accurate you are with your writing, if it works or not. Also, making the box roughly the size you want it to be will also help, because if you do it too big, it'll have a pigeon the size of the actual shape that you create. There you go, 2 little birdies sitting on the roof. Okay, just look at the options. That one looks nice, but the lighting's wrong. It looks completely wrong. Okay, so that one's the best one, but let's go here, and I'm just going to see if I can get generate similar, see if that does anything better. And so what you can see, you can actually build up quite an interesting picture from a blank building to having different things in the actual picture. I'm doing this quite quickly. If you spent time doing it, then you'll probably find that it might be worth. Oh, that's quite nice. It's actually got it going over the edge. Okay, which is good. That one's not so good. And that's not so good. So that one's really good. So there you go. We've got basically 2 elements added using this function, and you'll notice the quality of it's a lot better if you used to use the old version of Photoshop. But the idea of was to actually show you the fact that it has this new option, generate similar now, which is quite good. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. Thank you for watching the video, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and also press the notification bell so you're aware of when a new video has been uploaded. If you like the video, consider pressing the thumbs up icon, as well as possibly leaving a comment to tell me what you think. Also consider sharing the video on these sites, as well as follow me on these social media channels. Thank you again for watching.